All right, we got the Black Friday 2024. There's a lot of good deals out there. It's a little bit more than what I show at the store because every tool is available. Black Friday for the Milwaukee 2024 holiday deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest Black Fridays glitches that I just posted. I just posted a glitch, a price glitch for the PACKOUT. A lot of you got it. A lot of you guys didn't because you guys are not subscribed. You guys don't hit the bell icon. All right, let's start here. So $349 for this dual bay charger. This is an 8 amp hour battery. You go down here, it's $349. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. I'm gonna select that, and then you're gonna add it to the cart, and pretty much you're gonna get around, $120, $130 off on this one for the battery. So 220 for this. This is actually pretty dang good deal. $100 a piece. Killer deal on that one. All right, next one down. We got a whole bunch to cover. I'm just gonna try to go fast here for you guys. You got the M18 fuel combo. Excuse my voice as well. If you guys hear any noises or my voice, not the greatest. Just losing my voice here. 2 batteries, 1 charger, 2 bag, 5 tool combo kit. These are all brushless, all fuel tools. Excellent deal, especially with the buy one get one free. So you guys, $5.99 will get you this deal. But if you guys click here, you guys $1.99, you get around $130 off from that $5.99. Excellent deal. It'll come up to around $100 a piece for that 5, and pretty much these batteries are for free basically. So that's an excellent deal on that one. So next one down, I'll leave you guys the links to everything down below in the description section of this video. All right, we got another a rapid charge, or here's a tool savings Milwaukee M18, a 2-pack of 5 amp hour batteries, a 2-pack of 6 amp hour, and a 6-port rapid charger. This is a PACKOUT. Remember, guys, it's the newest charger, or one of the newest. Not the newest, but one of the newest. The other one's the newer one. So this one's $4.99. This was an excellent deal. This one does not have a free gift with purchase. You're still getting a lot of battery and a lot of charger for your bang for your buck there. Here's another one. So this is going to be the buy one get one free. It's going to be the higher tier. This is definitely one of the best ones to get. Even if you're not getting the 2 free tools that we did get last year, you're getting one that's really good. This is hammer drill and impact driver, 2 tool combo kit with 2 batteries. If you guys don't have these tools, man, this is the kit for you. I personally do have both of these. These are solid tools. One of the hardest working tools out there for DIYs, for professionals, for people that just use these until they die basically. All right, so you go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're gonna be able to select from the Gen 2 saw valid at $199. My suggestion is you guys go for the higher prices so you guys gotta get the best bang for your buck. Got the 1-inch SDS handle, $199. You got the portable inflator. I have this thing. This thing's a beast, $179. My brother uses this for semis. Just keep that in mind. You got a 5 amp hour extended capacity battery pack, $159. Jigsaw, $199. It's the fuel. These are all fuel. This is the brand new. Yes, this is the brand new Rover dual power triple panel light, 4,500 lumen. Yeah, guys, this is the newest one. So if you guys don't have any other one, this is the one to get. Let us know in the comment section if you got your light already and how is it working. You got the job site. I heard that it's a little heavy though. You got the job site radio, $189, of course, because you got what, 4,500 lumen. Yeah. 6.5 circular saw valued at $129. The 500 CFM blower. This is the single battery. Remember that. That's not the dual battery. So $179 for that one. You got the Hex Search or the Search Impact Driver, $169. You got the router, $199. The oscillating multi-tool. This is not the fuel, so do not get this one. $139. Now this one's pretty good. Brushless, cordless, 4.5, 5-inch grinder, $189. That's it. All right, so let's choose. I'll choose it with the other deal. How's that? You're gonna get around $130 off on this one anyway. So just If you guys want to do the math, so 130 bucks on this one. So what? It's 299, 280. So 280ish. All right. So excuse my voice. Like I said, I'm losing my voice. Got REDLITHIUM 8 amp hour battery. I think this is the best deal if you want to stock up on these batteries. This is a killer deal. I can't stress this enough. Probably the best bang for your buck. These are the new REDLITHIUM Forge. If you want to stock up on these, I already got myself a set. This is $199. All right. So you go down here to the main item, because that is a free gift with purchase that qualifies. You're gonna select any of these. These are all qualified for this hack. You guys are able to hack this impact wrench. It's a 1/2 inch impact wrench kit. Does come with battery charger case. $399. It will get you around $130 off on that one as well. You got a 1/2 inch hammer drill with $299. Will get you same price off. You got a brushless, coreless drain cleaning 3/8, $889. You got a hatchet pruning saw, $279. Guys, this is the one to get if you want to stock up on these batteries. This is the one I got. $249. This is the 12 amp hour battery pack. REDLITHIUM Forge. Yes, brand new battery. $249. It's already available at the hack, so get them while you can. Excellent deal. All right, you got the brushless 4.5 6-inch angle grinder, $249. You got a 7 1/4 circ saw. This is the fuel. This is the top of the line. $249. Not top of, well, yeah, top of the line, but still you're getting one of the best ones out there. Because I know there's a 6.5. Personally, I like the 7 1/4. All right, so you got the REDLITHIUM Forge. This is another one I want to get. This is the one that we just saw right now with the packouts, or with the dual bay charger, rapid charger. $349, guys. Yeah, that one's really good. We just saw that. Got the brushless coreless drain cleaning, $13.59. And this is the 5.2 combo kit we just saw. Coreless drain cleaner, $889. The compressor, yes, $379. The compact bandsaw, $329. The SDS rotary, $349. The super saw, guys. This is not the saw. This is the super saw. This is the big one, the big boy. $259. The only downside about this one's big and heavy. It's super powerful though. I have that thing. That thing is a beast. All right. Talking about the cheapest. So this is the best for last. If you guys want to hack all those tools, this is going to be the best bang for your buck on the hack. If you guys don't know what a hack is, let us know in the comment section. I'm pretty sure myself or somebody else will let you guys know what's up. Oh, you got $199, right? There's 2 5s. We've seen this before. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're going to be able to select all the tools we just mentioned. Not the past one, but the one before that. You got the saw, the regular saw, the inflator, the SDS, all these, the panel light. That's the one to get with that one. It's already sold out, by the way, but you guys are able to get that on the store. So get that at the store. Like I said, these deals will sell out, so make sure you guys shop early. So you guys are able to punch any of these, right? I'm just gonna punch in the jigsaw. All right, so you're gonna go to the cart and you're gonna see the prices. All right, so $99 for the tool, $99 for the kit. You return this, you keep it for $99. Excellent deal. Killer deal, guys. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. This is the last one. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, so you guys won't miss any of those Black Friday deals coming up and those glitches. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.